Learn how to install your Nostalgic Warehouse deadbolt in this quick video tutorial. Once you receive your hardware, open the box to check what is included. 1 exterior plate escutcheon, 1 interior Thumbturn assembly, 1 cylinder body, 2 2 3/8 machine screws and keys, 1 spin ring, 1 deadbolt latch, 1 latch faceplate, 1 latch strike plate, and 4 wood screws, 1 deadbolt adapter plate with 2 5/8" machine screws, and 1 dust box with 1 door frame reinforcer and 2 3-inch reinforcer wood screws. You will also need a Phillips head screwdriver, measuring tape, a drill with a 1/8" bit, and a pencil. Remove any current hardware you may have on your door. If this is a new door, make sure there is already a pre-drilled borehole. Use your measuring tape to measure from the edge of the door to the center of the borehole. Standard back sets are either 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. Measure door thickness. Deadbolts must be installed on 1 3/4 to 2-inch thick doors. For doors outside of this size range, please call customer service. Take the latch out of the box. The deadbolt tongue must be extended during installation. Insert the deadbolt latch in the borehole. Make sure the tailpiece hole is on the bottom. Place the faceplate over the deadbolt tongue and use the wood screws to attach the faceplate to the door. Remove the 2 3/8" machine screws that shipped with the cylinder. The notch on the spin ring should face the cylinder cover and the exterior of the door. Install the cylinder through the spin ring, then into the outside plate. The tailpiece on the cylinder must be vertical during installation. Slide the cylinder tailpiece through the opening on the latch to place the outside assembly on the door. For rectangular plates, make sure the edge of the assembly is parallel to the door's edge. Place the deadbolt adapter on the interior side of the door. Make sure the smaller holes are on top. Attach the adapter with the included 2 3/8" machine screws into the larger holes on the adapter plate. Attach the Thumbturn assembly to the interior side of the door with the 5/8" machine screws. Install the machine screws into the smaller holes on the top of the adapter plate. For rectangular plates, make sure the edge of the assembly is parallel to the door's edge. Mark and drill the holes for the dust box, door frame reinforcer, and strike plate using the door frame reinforcer as a guide. Drill holes where marked. Use the 3-inch reinforcer wood screws to install the dust box and door frame reinforcer into the door jamb. Use the wood screws to install the strike plate to the door jamb. Ensure your deadbolt works by closing your door and turning the key. You have now correctly installed your Nostalgic Warehouse deadbolt. For more information about Nostalgic Warehouse, contact our customer support team.